Hello, my friend. Take a slow breath with me. Welcome to the Daily English Podcast. Real English, real life, real confidence. I'm really glad you're here. Today, we're talking about something that can change how people treat you fast. How to speak so people actually listen. Most people think confidence means talking louder, shouting, arguing, proving. No, real confidence is calm. Real confidence is control. When you can control your voice, your face, and your words, people pay attention. We're going to train that right now. Here's what you'll be able to do after this. Use a slow, steady voice that sounds confident, not nervous. Use gentle eye contact so the other person feels, you respect me. Start a hard conversation without making the other person defend themselves. Ask simple connection questions like, can I tell you what I'm thinking? So they stay with you instead of fighting you. Use one line that can stop an argument in 3 seconds. I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to understand you. You can use this with your boss, with your partner, with family, with patients, with friends, anywhere. Listen, you don't need perfect grammar to have power. You need calm energy in your voice. Thank you for being here with me today. This is the Daily English Podcast, real English for real life. Every word you speak builds your future. Keep speaking, keep growing.